Planning for a beach vacation in 2024? Here's what you need to pack. As the sand beneath our feet and the sea breeze in our hair beckon us, it's crucial to plan ahead and pack the right essentials. Our focus today is on the year 2024. From the latest beach gear to sun protection essentials, we'll be covering everything you need for a perfect beach day. Stay tuned to discover the essential items you should not leave without. First things first, let's talk about essential beach gear. Picture this. You're heading to the beach for a day of sun, sand, and surf. What do you need for a comfortable and enjoyable experience? A beach towel is a must-have. It's not just for drying off after a swim, but also your makeshift bed on the sand. Choose one that's large, plush, and quick drying. Next up, a good beach bag. You'll need something spacious and sturdy to hold all your gear. Look for those with multiple compartments for easy organization. Don't forget about a sunshade or beach umbrella. It's your best defense against the harsh midday sun, providing a cool spot to relax under. Beach chairs are another essential. They give you a comfortable place to sit while you watch the waves or read a book. Lastly, coolers. They're crucial for keeping your drinks and snacks fresh and chilled. Remember, comfort is key to enjoying your beach vacation. Next up, we have sun protection essentials. When it comes to safeguarding your skin from the sun, a few items are absolutely non-negotiable. First and foremost, sunscreen. Opt for a broad-spectrum formula with a high sun protection factor, or SPF, to shield your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Now let's talk about hats. A wide-brimmed hat is your best bet. It provides shade for your face, neck, and ears, areas often forgotten during sunscreen application. Don't underestimate the power of UV protective clothing. These garments are designed to block out harmful rays and can offer more reliable protection than sunscreen alone, especially during peak sun exposure hours. Last, but certainly not least, sunglasses. Not just a fashion statement, sunglasses protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of cataracts. Remember, sun protection isn't just about comfort, it's about health. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays should be a top priority. Now let's move on to entertainment and snacks. Imagine this. You're lounging on the beach, the waves are gently lapping at the shore, and you've got your favorite book or e-reader in hand. Perfect, right? Whether it's a gripping thriller or a lighthearted romance, having something to read is a great way to relax and enjoy the beach atmosphere. For those of you with kids, don't forget to pack some beach toys. Sandcastles aren't going to build themselves after all. And for the music lovers out there, a portable speaker can set the mood with your favorite tunes. Of course, all that relaxation can work up an appetite. That's where snacks come in. Fresh fruit, sandwiches, or even some homemade cookies can hit the spot. And let's not forget hydration. Bring plenty of water or your favorite refreshing beverages to stay hydrated under the sun. Keeping entertained and well-nourished will make your beach day even more enjoyable. Now that we've covered all the beach essentials for 2024, let's summarize. The first category we delved into was beach gear. We discovered how critical it is to pack the right equipment to maximize our beach experience. From the latest in beach-friendly technology to the most comfortable beach chairs, having the right gear can make or break your day in the sun. Next, we discussed sun protection essentials. We emphasized the importance of shielding ourselves from harmful UV rays. Whether it's the newest SPF 50 sunscreens or the most stylish wide-brimmed hats, protecting your skin is not just about health, but also about enjoying your time on the beach without worry. We then moved on to entertainment and snacks. We all know a day at the beach isn't complete without some fun and food. We highlighted a range of beach games, from classic frisbee to the more adventurous paddleboarding. And of course, we cannot forget the importance of packing refreshing snacks and drinks to keep our energy levels high. Each category is unique, but they all contribute to creating a successful, enjoyable, and memorable beach vacation. It's about preparing for every scenario, from relaxation to action, from hunger to hydration. So there you have it, the ultimate beach essentials checklist for 2024. Pack wisely and enjoy your vacation.